Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the pre-analysis of upcoming New York session. So, for New York session, I am looking for a sell in Euro Yen. This I am looking due to this resistance level and price is showing good rejection from this level. Coming to the 15 minutes, what I want the price to be somewhat here. Although I am getting too much greedy, but yeah, I would love to grab price from this level and a stop loss somewhat here, and then definitely I would love to ride up to this level. So let's see how this develops. My next pair is pound CAD. In the pound CAD, I am looking for this resistance to be activated, to get activated. Okay, and coming to the 15 minutes, my entry time frame. So today it has shown some rejection from this side, although here a good order building has been done and some rejection is being observed from this level. In the whole London session, the price never went away from this level. So definitely looking for a sell in this, and the price is near about my what I call it minimum acceptable price. So definitely once the news comes at 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time, we have a news of USD. So once it comes, then definitely I am looking for a sell in this. And my next pair is AUDCAD. AUDCAD also I am looking for a sell. Let me show you the 4 hour. So in the 4 hour, what I am seeing here is it is standing at a resistance level. This resistance is holding since very long. You can see here since September this resistance level is holding. So price is right now at this level, and coming to the 15 minute, what I want is price somewhat to be near about here, and when the market opens and based on the price action at that time, definitely I am going to sell this. Although I don't like this kind of setups, I will tell you why. Because this is not a trending one, this is a ranging one for me. This whole is a range, so that's why this is a less probable trade, I would say. But definitely if I get a chance, then I will try to get entry on this one. So that's all from my side for today's New York session. Trade safely. Thank you.